Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're here, I guess you want to know how to adjust Windows power settings to reduce fan noise on your computer. Without further ado, let's get started. Now to do that, let's come over here and type in control panel. Okay, now click on our control panel app. At the control panel search, let's type in power option. Now let's click here. At the control panel home, let's move to the right hand side. You see change plan settings. Let's click it. Okay. Now over here, let's click change advanced power settings. Select drop down menu. Select power saver. Expand sleep. Then expand sleep after and hibernate after to open the settings. Minimize the minutes on the settings so as to reduce unwarranted stress on the fan. Your computer might be using an active cooling policy for the processor. Expand processor power management. Expand system cooling policy. If the settings while on battery is active, change it to passive and then click OK. Now let's try to restart our computer. So that's pretty much it. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit this notification bell to stay updated. Thank you. Bye for now.